Hello. Let me check. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? The thing is कि just a minute. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Let me just. Am I audible? Actually, the thing is, I have to start live stream on 8 o'clock, but from 8 to till 8:30 till now, the issue was there. That stream was not starting. I don't know why, but I hope it's working right now. Let me just go with this. Oh, sorry. Sixth. Post. Hello. Hello. Am I audible right now? Yep. I hope it's okay. So, chalo, let's start with the live stream. I think we were working on this thing related to mobile number wala question, right? Let me just let me just see the chat. Where is it? So let us go with the questions as well. Let us see what's the next question is all about. क्योंकि कल हमने जो क्वेश्चन किया था उस पर हमने कंप्लीट किया था फ़ोन नंबर क्लीनिंग, राइट? अब हम लोग चेक करते हैं कि अच्छा उसके बाद का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इस नंबर इज एक्टिव येस और नो, ये वाला कॉलम, राइट? लेट्स चेक दैट आउट. राइट, लेट्स चेक दैट आउट. चलो, तो पहले हम लोग टेबल को जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट करते हैं. लेट्स कॉपी एंड पेस्ट द टेबल हियर. ठीक है, राइट. लेट्स कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट. चलो ठीक है. राइट नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव. सिलेक्ट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम रॉ कस्टमर्स. ठीक है, लेट्स गो विद दिस. तो अब इसमें हम लोग को क्या मतलब आई मीन टू से क्या चेंजेस लाना है. इज़ एक्टिव रॉ. ठीक है, हम लोग यहाँ लिखते हैं इज़ एक्टिव रॉ. ठीक है, दिस तो अभी अपने पास क्या क्या डेटा है इस एक्टिव रो में अपने पास है यस, वाई, वन, नो, ज़ीरो, यस, एन, ट्रू, फॉल्स, ब्लैंक। ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, व्हाट वी विल डू इज़ लाइक, हम लोग चलते हैं वाइट बोर्ड में। हम लोग यहाँ क्या करेंगे, यू नो, लेट मी जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट द थिंग हियर एज वेल, बेटर होगा। ओके, नाइस। ये थोड़ा अलग दिख रहा है यहाँ पे तो, ओके लेट्स सी, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, तो यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे देखो जितने भी आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या है, यस है, यहाँ पे वाई है विच एक्चुअली मीन्स यस, वन विच एक्चुअली मीन्स यस। ठीक है, तो हम लोग पहले डिवाइड कर लेते हैं कौन सा यस में जाएगा और कौन सा नो में जाएगा, राइट। फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, यस में कौन सा जाएगा, यस जाएगा, वाई जाएगा, वन जाएगा, नो इस पे जाएगा, ज़ीरो इस पे जाएगा, कैपिटल एस इसमें जाएगा, एन इस पे जाएगा, देन वी हैव ट्रू इस पे जाएगा, फॉल्स इस पे जाएगा, और जहाँ पे भी ब्लैंक है, राइट, जहाँ पे भी ब्लैंक है वहाँ पे हम लोग नल दे देंगे। ठीक है, लाइक दिस। ठीक, सिंपल एज इट इज़, जहाँ पे ब्लैंक है वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, वहाँ हम लोग नल दे देंगे, राइट। नो वरीज अबाउट इट, उतना ज़्यादा सोचना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि देखो अपने पास तो डेटा है नहीं ना, व्हाट वी विल डू, जब तक अपने पास डेटा है नहीं वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, सिंपल। ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ डाउट, यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो आप लोग बिल्कुल पूछो, राइट। यहाँ तक कुछ भी डाउट हो आपको बिल्कुल आप लोग पूछ सकते हो, राइट, टिल हियर। तो लेट्स सी, डू वी हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, यहाँ से किसी को कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो बिल्कुल पूछो। राइट, किसी को कुछ डाउट यहाँ तक, किसी को कुछ डाउट यहाँ तक तो बिल्कुल पूछ सकते हो, राइट। तो किसी को कुछ डाउट यहाँ तक, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ जितना मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस है, जितना मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ केस व्हेन ही यूज़ करने वाले हैं, राइट। केस व्हेन ही यूज़ करेंगे, इसमें रेगेक्स का कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, इसमें क्या है, इफ़ एल्स वाला सिस्टम है, राइट। इफ़ एल्स वाला सिस्टम जो आप सामने देख रहे हो, सारा चीज़ किस चीज़ पे बेसिस है, इफ़ एल बेस्ड रहेगा, राइट। इफ़ एल बेस्ड रहेगा, ठीक है, मतलब इफ़ दिस देन दिस एल्स दैट एंड, ठीक है, इस तरीके से रहेगा, ठीक। इफ़ दिस देन दिस एल्स एंड, ख़त्म, राइट। तो यहाँ पे कोई रेगेक्स हम लोग यूज़ करने नहीं वाले, सिंपल मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, नो यूज़ ऑफ रेगेक्स in this question, right, in this question, right, no use of regex in this question, simple। ठीक है, तो इन केस मतलब यहाँ पे रेगेक्स यूज़ कर योर विश, आप कर सकते हो रेगेक्स यूज़, बट ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा। लेकिन अगर आप रेगेक्स के साथ कंफर्टेबल हो, आई मीन टू से इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद रेगेक्स एक्सप्रेशन, लाइक रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन, गो विद इट। हे हाय अशिता, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय अशिता, हाय, कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. आई एम गुड, आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो? How is your preparation going on? Any doubt, anything you need to ask, just clear it out. And apart from that, do we have any more doubts? Let me just refresh it. Just a minute. So anybody have any doubts in this part, or should we move to the next step of it? Right? Let's see. Do we have any doubts? Anything we need to ask? Anything you need to ask? Any doubts? Anything you need to ask? Any doubts anybody have in this live stream? Let me see, is my stream working or not? I have to check that as well. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, we have one query. What are we tackling today? Like, actually we are continuing with the this query. I mean to say this one, this assignment number 10, data cleaning part using SQL. ठीक है, we are in question number, I think second last question number 8, right? We are continuing with that, right? So the next is, I am halfway through Excel course. Okay, we have one more query. I think it's lagging. Okay, let me just first read the query. I am halfway through the Excel course. That's a good thing. You recommended and I found trouble here. Okay, you can ask the question. In the classification of email where there is invalid or valid. Okay, I could not understand the formula. Okay, we have one more query. I think it's lagging a little bit. When I send message, it takes a while before you get it. Actually right now only I received your two messages. Right now matlab first message I have received, the tackling wala part. Second message I just received like 2-3 seconds back. It's like that. Yeah, it happens, I don't know why it is happening. Maybe OBS studio issue, the way I am just streaming my live stream, or maybe I don't think YouTube issue would be there, OBS issue would be there, because these things happen, है कि नहीं? Happens मतलब not every day, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, it's like that. ठीक है. So my question to you is, First thing first, that's a really good thing that you are practicing Excel. That's a really good thing. Second thing is like, if you want to understand like what formula you want to understand, I mean to say, related to the Excel. I mean related to the Excel plus related to the email part, right? Can you just specify the formula, or like can we just discuss in a normal way? Like if you can answer, I can just reply to you on that way. Like if you want to understand something specific to the formula, right? You want to understand, like suppose, uh, like you told valid and invalid, right? Suppose you want to find something from the email. If this thing is there, then valid. If this thing is not there, then invalid. If you want to understand this thing, you can ask, and we can understand this thing in Excel. Okay, we will understand this thing in what? Excel, right? Let me show you Excel matlab, this part, where is it? Spreadsheet. Okay, we will understand this thing in Excel. ठीक. If you want, this one, if you want, we can understand that thing in Excel. So if you can specify, where is it? Yeah. If you can, okay, we have one more query. Okay, let me get the formula and share. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. No worries. No worries. No worries. Okay. No worries for that. I have Excel open in front of you. Just give me the, like give me the questions as well. Question matlab, like in what kind of question? I know it's an email question. Okay. If you can give the email ID as well, like what email, like it is all about, then also I will just copy and paste that email in the Excel sheet, the Excel sheet that is open, and then I will use the formula and I will just showcase you. Okay. In case if you want to take my mail ID, you can mail it here as well. No worries for that. This is my mail ID. You can mail it here wherever you are comfortable. Okay. Because sometimes what happen, like in the live chat, the mail, like you will be, no doubt you will be giving me a mail ID, a raw data mail ID kind of thing. So in that thing, the chat, I don't know why it is not showing all the formulas and links and hashtags kind of thing. That's why I've got a lot of complaint from my live stream viewers and subscribers. So that's why this mail ID. If you are facing issue, just send me your doubts in the mail ID. I will just take your doubts directly to my Excel sheet and we will clear it out. Okay. And this live video will be like public in just one day, like whatever time it is. You can just use the live stream to review it again, and you can just brush up your knowledge related to that. The question was classifying. I've got one more live chat from Ashita. That is, question was classifying. Okay, you can, like this is my mail ID. If you can give the full question in the mail ID, it's good, like wherever you are comfortable with. Okay. I've just opened my mail ID. Let me check. Do I receive any mail now? Okay. Just drop your mail, drop your message, and I will help you out. Take. So I'm ready for it, and no need to hurry. You can ask your doubts here, and let me just. What happened? ठीक है, दिस इज द थिंग, ठीक, एंड दिस इज द एक्सेल शीट. ठीक है, we have everything, we have Excel sheet, we have this, right? Just give your questions and I am ready to answer it. ठीक है, and others in the live stream you can ask your doubts as well. So in that meantime, let us go and use this PG SQL, I mean our SQL question, and in that meantime when I get the question in the mail or in the live chat, I will cover it up, right? So in that meantime let's continue with our question. ठीक है, so we have this and we will write case when, we will say case when yes or y or one, wait, case when is, sorry, is active raw in, we say yes, we say y, we say one, we say one भी है, we say yes, we say it true, then yes, else no. ठीक है, else no, and as is active, alias is active. Let's see, do we get the correct answer here? Okay, here is the thing. Okay, it's in character varying as well. Let's see. Okay, we got it till here, but in null we don't have anything. I don't know why in null we don't have anything. Right, so for that we need to write one more case when, or we can just continue with the when, but when we continue with the only when with a single case, it might be an issue. ठीक है, so let me check the mail in case we have something here. No mails yet, but no worries for that. Let's refresh this. Live chat as well. Okay, we have one query from Ashitag, that is, okay, we have received a query. It is like let me move to this, what we say, okay, whiteboard and this. ठीक है, let us move to this and understand the topic. ठीक, let us move to Excel sheet directly. ठीक है, and understand the topic. So what is the question all about? If and is number search, okay, and मतलब दो चीज़ होगा. Okay, search at the rate L2 is the cell name, is number search dot L2 search this, then valid. ठीक है, okay, so do you want to understand the full thing? Then let us go with it. Take, let us go with that. First thing first, what you have done in this, first thing first, it is like we will go inside the bracket one. ठीक है, inside the bracket first thing what you have told, related to search of at the rate. ठीक है, if you go and see, it is like related to search at the rate. ठीक है, this is a search function, simple. ठीक है, search function, right? Inside the search function there is a dot as well, because let me tell you one thing. Where is the Excel sheet? Yeah, suppose I write abc@email.com. ठीक है, remove link. ठीक है, and you have told, suppose like, let me just copy and paste it here. Copy and paste it here. It should be D2 D2 D2. ठीक है, that's the thing. Right now first thing first, what we have to see, we have to see what is the inner part of the Excel formula that you have written. It is like directly related to, you are saying to Excel कि search at the rate with a dot. ठीक है, it is simple, it's like search at the rate with a dot. ठीक, what it will do, it will first search at the rate with a dot. ठीक, simple. If it is found, right, then valid, else invalid. If you go and see the formula, as I have told, check the bracket first here. ठीक है, check the bracket first here. The bracket is having three things, right? First thing, search will be done here, then it will go to if, and it will see the three things first. This is first requirement, that is the expression that you need. If you can check out here, then it will like value if true, value if false. ठीक है, so this is the correct part. In this what we have, in this we have search of at the rate and search of dot. ठीक है, then that's why it's valid, simple as it is. ठीक, this is the first explanation of it, right? Now we have know about two things, about if and search. Right now let's learn about the thing related to the is number. So what is number do? Is number check if something is a number. ठीक है, some number is there or not. ठीक, example like what example should I give? What number? Okay, let's go to the Excel sheet and write only this thing, abc@email.com. ठीक है, and let me show you one thing. I will write this formula proper, Control C, Control V. I will remove this part from here. ठीक है, if this what happened, acha and is there, if logical test, then valid, why it is showing like this, if, then search this if is number. So what in this thing, wait, let me show, I don't know why it is showing incorrect. In this is number, what will happen, is number, it will, what will happen, it will give you a valid part because you have given valid and invalid, right? It will give you the valid, I means if there is, like if there is a number in the mail, it will give you true, otherwise it will give you a false, right? This is what is number does. ठीक, right? We have given at the rate, I mean abc at the rate email.com, it will give you a false part. ठीक, it will give you a false. ठीक, but if you write in the place of at the rate, means abc at the rate email.com, if you write a number, suppose 10, it will give you true. It is like you are searching a number as well. ठीक, first what you are searching at the rate and dot, second thing you are searching a number, right? Number of what? At the rate. ठीक, that is what it is all about. Then here you have done two things, that is you have done the nested search. ठीक है, because you have added two type of search, right? First search is about at the rate, second search is about at the rate and the dot, that is called nested search. ठीक है, so first thing first, the inner search happen, like I have told you. Inner search matlab it will just find the at the rate, then it goes to the dot. ठीक, this is how the level of execution works. ठीक है, first at the rate will go, let me tell you here, first at the rate will go, second dot will come. It's like that, it's like that in order of execution part. ठीक है, this is the order of execution. ठीक है, it should be like that, order of execution. If you go and see, first at the rate will go, because in this nested search first this thing will go. ठीक है, because this is the inner part of the formula. Second this thing will go, right? This thing will go means this dot will be searched after that, means at the rate should be there, dot will be there. ठीक है, right? It should be like that. ठीक, and what we have additional to thing, additional to this, what should we see? Yeah, that is the only thing what we can learn in the formula. And is number, it is all about this. And anything you need to ask? Okay, we have one more thing related to the AND function, right? AND function is also there. What AND function do? It checks like if all the condition are valid or invalid, I mean if it is true or false. You have given valid or invalid, actually what it does, it checks like if it is true or false. ठीक है, so it will see all the requirements. All the requirement matlab this requirement, sorry, this requirement. ठीक है, this requirement, this requirement, if all the things are proper. ठीक है, because for this we have to write and, if all the things are true then it will come valid, right? That's why we have to write and, because see in a mail ID we need to see all the scenarios. At the rate would be there, dot would be there, like you have told, at the, like you have written in the formula, at the rate would be there, dot would be there, in this way. So all the things would be there. Like in Excel what we do, we give condition, right, in the where clause, correct? Same thing we are doing here, we are giving a condition. So it is like a kind of condition where the AND function, I mean to say, it is like kind of condition where all the things are true or all the things are valid. ठीक है, it is like that. ठीक, so I hope we got this. And if and also if function, if function is related to the thing, if it is true then do this, if false then do this. Just like case when in our Excel sheet, in our, sorry, case when in our SQL platform. In SQL we use case when, right? Like I have used right now for the this one, for the phone number part, case when uh, this condition is happening, then do this, else do that. ठीक है. So if condition is just like case when. So any more thing we need to see? Let me check. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. And anything you need to see? Anything you need to understand, like if you want to understand something related to search and is number, because search and is number are anyhow connected. ठीक है. If you want to understand this thing, I can help you to understand that as well. ठीक है. Okay, we have lots of queries. Hi golden developer, welcome to live stream. Hi, welcome to live stream. Okay, let me see. Hello, I am new to the channel. How many classes completed till now? The thing is कि it is like related to doubt sessions and all. Like we do questions related to the assignments and also clear the doubts in SQL, Python, Power BI and Excel as well. ठीक है. So it is just not like कि regular classes or something. It is just like doubt clearing sessions. You can ask me directly. If it is in my knowledge boundary, I can help you out. If not, then I can ask someone and help you out. So it is like that. So it is not like a regular class session. It is like regular live stream session. Every day we do live stream just for doubt clearing part and the assignment part. We do assignments question each and every day, because the thing is I have got lots of complaint from our like viewers and subscribers, like they don't get motivation to practice SQL, Python or Power BI every day. So what I have decided ki I will do questions side by side and also clear your doubts. So this is what the live stream is all about. Hey, hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Okay, we have one query. So is number will give false since there is no number, and then and function will evaluate to logic, and if evaluate false since is number will no, let me tell you one thing. Is number and search are connected. That is the reason why I have told you कि like should I tell you the connection between is number and search, because the number that we are talking about, search will give you the number, right? Search will give you the number. I will show that in the Excel sheet, no worries for that. I will show that in the Excel sheet. That's the reason why I have told you should I show you the relation between is number and search. ठीक है. I will get to that, no worries for that. ठीक है. So do we have any more doubts? Let me just see, do we have any more doubts? Okay, we have one question from Parikshit. What is the index in SQL and why it helps? Index in SQL is just like, I would say, matlab, kind just like in see, same in SQL, same in Python. Like in Python, what you see, the indexing number start from 0, 1, 2, 3 if it is in default part. So it is just used for doing the filtration part in a proper way. Filtration part matlab, suppose you remember like row number 10 is having my name, suppose row number 10 is having suppose Parikshit name, you know that index number 10 or row number 10 is having Parikshit name or Parikshit detail in the data set. So without directly going with the employee ID or your name or your mail ID or something, you can directly write where ID equal to 10 or where the index number equal to 10. It's like that, just for searching part, that's it. ठीक है. it is like that. ठीक, it is just like give you a extra helping hand for the filtration and the searching part, that's it. ठीक है, that's the thing, right? And for that you can let me tell you, you can just create index. Like if you are in you, like you told for the SQL, for SQL you can just write create index. In just a minute. हेलो या, सो द थिंग इज कि related to the index, ठीक है. If you want to create a, see, let me tell you one thing. If you go in any project or in any real life scenario, each and every data or each and every row will have their own unique number or unique identity, so it will act as an index. But still, if it is not there, you can just create an index on a table and you can go with the flow, that's it. Hey, hi skilled CA, welcome to live stream. Long time, how are you? Okay, just a minute. Welcome to live stream. Like, how is your website going on? How is it? Like, how is your website going on, skilled CA? Like, I have seen in the LinkedIn as well, it is like in a proper way, and I have seen, like, I have also, what I have done, I think I have liked the post and I have reshared the post related to your website. Like, how is it going on? How is it? ठीक है. Okay, do we have any more question? Okay, we have one question from Golden Developer. Then there is no one. Then we will go with the relation between is number and false. Let me just refresh this. Refresh. तो क्या, there is no chat right now. ठीक है. So Golden Developer, I am taking your question. Then we will move to Ashita doubt. Is it related to is number and search? ठीक है. So okay, I have a question related to career change. Can you help? Yeah, sure. No worries, no worries. You can ask. You can ask. No worries. I can help you out in that. ठीक है. I can help you out in that. No worries for it. ठीक. No worries for that. ठीक है. Okay, now let's go to the question. मतलब sorry, doubt related to. Okay, we have one more query. Sorry, right now it came. Yes, let's see the relation between is number and search. Okay, actually I was going to tell that only, and I have received your message. You might have messaged earlier, but right now I am receiving. Sorry for that. So see, let me show you each and, oh sorry, what it is all about. Yeah, let me first see. Let's go for is number first. ठीक है. What is number and what is sorry, let's go for search first. Sorry for that. Search, yeah, let's go for search first, then we will go to is number. ठीक है. Let's have a let's take this example abc@email.com. ठीक है. Remove link. Okay, right now I hope you can see the screen. ठीक है. Right now what I will do, I will ask कि like equal to search. ठीक है. Equal to search and see what it has told, find text. What I will do, I will say find at the rate. ठीक है. What I will say कि find at the rate. ठीक है. Find at the rate from what? This. ठीक. सर्च द फर्स्ट करेक्ट. क्या इक्वल इट तो है, इट इज इक्वल. व्हाट हैपनिंग? what is happening here? Okay, let me just show it up. See, @email.com equal plus or minus sign. Why it is happening like that? Let me just close it. Let me just close it and open it again for this. I don't know why it is happening like this. Suppose I write abc @gmail @email.com. ठीक, remove link. Right now what I will do, I will write search, ठीक है, find text, I will write find @ ठीक, and I will say this number. I don't know why it is, and I will say keep from abc @email.com. ठीक, why it is not working? Okay, wait. This. Okay, it's working right now. Chalo. So what it is all about, what I have told, see what I have done here, if you can check it out. Let me increase it. I have told to find, to search from this thing. ठीक है, what Excel is giving me in the output? Excel is giving me a number, right? What Excel is giving me? Excel is giving me a number. It's 4. So what 4 means? 4 means, let me tell you here. In 1 it is A. In 2 it is B. In 3 it is C. In 4 it is @. ठीक है, this is the thing. This is what actually happening, right? This is what actually happening. If I say @em, ठीक है, this is what actually happening. ठीक है, what Excel will do, Excel will go with this text and it will see where @ is there. We have asked for @, so @ is in what? 4th number. ठीक है, right? So right now you might be getting the relation quite a little bit. Like we have told, what is the formula we have written? To be honest, let me just copy and paste the formula here. In this formula, what we have written? We have written is number of it, is number search @ from this cell. So what it is all about, it is saying if and is number, suppose in a mail @ is not there. ठीक है, example I am giving once. This is a valid there is a valid one. Suppose I am saying abc email.com. ठीक है, and in this I will write search, then I will say @ I will say abc email.com. ठीक, what it will give? It is giving value. ठीक है, so from this two thing, tell me what is validating from is number. If I say is number this, then it's coming true. If I say is number this, what it is coming? False. I hope you can get it right now. I hope you can get it right now in this. ठीक है. In this, what we are doing, if you see the formula, what we are doing, we are saying if is number at the rate this, ठीक है, then make it true and give me valid. If is number at the rate is not there in the search part, it will give what? False. And if it is false, then what it will come? It will come invalid. ठीक है. I hope now you get it. What is the relation between is number and search? Search, what it does, whatever thing or whatever text, ठीक है, whatever thing or whatever text you are searching in Excel, it will give you the output with the help of a numerical data. ठीक है. So to validate the numerical data and give you the valid or invalid email, you have to use is number. ठीक है. So what we are doing, we are searching two things. If at the rate is there in the mail, then a number will be there. If a dot is there in the mail, then a number will be there. If at the rate and dot both are there in the mail, the number will be there. And if number is there, that means it is valid. Simple as it is. ठीक है. This is what we are doing, right? That is what we are doing. So search always gives you the data or the output with the help of a number, right? It will be a numerical output. ठीक है. That's what it is saying. ठीक. And is number, what it does, is number is just giving a helping hand to the search wala formula, like search, like is number 5, okay, is number 6, okay, is number 4, okay, it is like that. ठीक है. So is number and search, how it is related and how this two relation is helping to give us the output as a valid or a invalid data in the mail ID. I hope you got it, right? I hope you got it related to this. I hope you got it related to this and how these two things are related, right? How is number and search are related. And also one more thing, if you go and check out the this thing, what we say, order of execution, what I have told you in the starting, order of execution always start from the inner part of the formula. So what is the inner part here and what is the inner part here? Search. ठीक है. So first what it will do, first Excel will search, after that it will see if the search output is showing a number, then okay, it will give a true and then your answer will be valid. That's it. I hope you right now got the relation between search and is number, because I was like having what we say, a click in my mind, like I should tell this relation. What I was believing is like you might be having the idea of search, but I thought ki just to give an example or just to give an what we say relation between search and is number, so that the explanation will be proper for the doubt that you have. I hope you got it and I was correct, like related to the is number and search you are having doubt, and I hope you clear it out. ठीक है. But still if you have any more doubt you can ask it. ठीक. This part goes for search number. What it will do, what search will do, search will find out the data that you are asking to Excel for searching from a particular data, like we have told data is what, abc@email and abcemail.com. ठीक है. See how these two results are there. One is 4. Why 4? Because at the rate is at 4. ठीक है. One, it is showing hashtag value because value is not there for at the rate. I mean to say for the thing that we are searching, right? Same thing will go for this as well, what we say for the dot, ठीक, cemail.com, oops sorry, .com. See, for the dot what it is coming, it is coming 9, because if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, in the ninth position of this data we are like having a dot, ठीक है, so that's why we are getting the value of 9, ठीक. But when we are searching for at the rate, are we getting the wait, are we like able to find any at the rate in the mail? No, na, that's why it is giving value, ठीक है, that's the thing. Let me write search dot, same thing I will be doing here, right, just copying and pasting it here, but at the rate will be there, ठीक है. Right now you find out like how is it. Right now I hope your doubt is clear related to this, but still if you have any more doubts you can ask in the stream right now, I can help you out in that. Or let me write like this, it would be better. Right, ठीक है, I hope you got it right now. When we search for a dot, it is showing 10th position in this data and it is showing 9th position in this data. When we are searching for at the rate, it is giving 4th position from this data and value in this data, because at the rate is not there. So right now you are seeing why is number is giving true, because we have numbers here. Why is number is giving false, and it is for this value, I mean to say for this at the rate wala thing. If I will write is number, then this cell related to what is 6, it will give me true, ठीक है. So this is the thing, right. I hope you got it, but still if you have any doubt you can ask me in the live stream, no worries for that, ठीक है, no worries for it, I can help you out in this. So do you need to clear any doubt from this topic? You can ask. Right. So do you have any more doubts in the stream? Okay, we have one more query from Parikshit. Is like calculate percentage contribution of each employee salary to total payroll. Okay, okay, no worries. We will understand this topic using the whiteboard. ठीक है, let's go and work out in that. ठीक, so the question is calculate percentage of each employee from the total salary, ठीक है. Example I am saying, just let us understand the thing. Suppose there are example I am saying, let's go with the live chat only, ठीक है. In live chat, suppose Parikshit is having 2 chat, ठीक है. Example I am saying, Ashitag is having 3 chat, and suppose let's take for golden developer, ठीक है, anyone, he is having 1. So what's the total, like if I ask you what is the contribution of each and every one chat in this live stream, ठीक है, it is for Parikshit, it is for Ashitag, and it is for golden developer, ठीक है. So what you will do, you will do like give your own contribution, that is 2 divided by the total number of chats. What's the total number of chat? 3 4 5 6, ठीक है. It's like that. For Ashitag it's 3 by 6, for golden developer it's 1 by 6, ठीक है. So it is like what, 1/3 of 100, 1/2 of 100, 1/6 of 100, ठीक है. It will be like this. So what will be the actual percentage contribution? It will be what's this, 1/3. Let's open the calculator. Where is it? 1/3 into 100, it will be 33.3. So Parikshit is having 33.3% of contribution in the live chat. Example I am saying, example, ठीक है. Ashitag, what it is all about, 1/2. So Ashitag is having 50% of contribution, and for 1/6 it is like 16.6% of contribution, ठीक है. If I add all the 3 things, all the 3 percentage, example I am saying 33.3 plus 50 plus 16.6, what's the output? Like it is coming 99.9, but it is like 100%, ठीक है. So what is the maths behind it, ठीक है. First let's understand the maths, then we will go to the query, ठीक है. So the maths behind this is like your own contribution, ठीक है, your own contribution divided by the total number of people have contributed, I mean total number of contribution, ठीक है, simple, ठीक, that's it. And for percentage it is into 100, ठीक. So what we will do, let's go to the this thing, क्या बोलते हैं, SQL platform, and we will create a dummy data and we will use it, ठीक है, we will use it, right. Let me write it up. ठीक है, this is the thing, right. We will write some queries here. Let's create where is it, let's create table, we say example YT, ठीक है. We will write 3 things, we will write ID, ठीक, then we will write salary, ठीक है, simple. Let's create it, create table, done, ठीक. We will write insert into example YT, and we will keep 3 values only, ठीक है. We will give 3 values, ठीक. Suppose ID 1 we say suppose 2000 example. For ID 2 let's say 3000. For ID 3 let's say 5000, ठीक है. Let's execute it, done, and let's write select everything from example YT, ठीक है. We will write this, right, and when we execute it we got the data, ठीक है. Simple formula, what we can do, we can do like कि what we can do, we can simple, we can use कि salary divided by sum of salary, ठीक है, and let's see will it give us the correct answer. Let's see, ठीक है, let's see, ठीक, because we might have to add something else that I am saying. So let's just use the maths idea and logic and let's write it here, ठीक है. Let's see what output do we get. Select everything, then we will write salary divided by sum of salary, ठीक है, from this, right. Will it give us the correct answer? Like anyone in the live stream? Anyone in the live stream can just answer the query. Like will it give us the correct answer? Obviously not. You have to write group by and all. What we will do here, simple, what we will do here, we can either use subquery, ठीक है. What kind of subquery? Let me tell you. Where is it? Let me write this. We can use select sum of salary from example YT from example YT, ठीक है. Let's see this. Oh sorry, ठीक है. Let's see do we get any output. We got a output like this. Right now can I say like we can get the proper contribution, ठीक है. We can do one thing, we can do 2000 divided by total salary and get the proper contribution. Let's see, let's do it. Salary divided by this into 100, ठीक है, and let's execute it. It will come 0. Why? Because we have to keep it numeric. Let's see. So I hope you got it right now. What we have done, we have used a subquery here, ठीक है, as per the maths logic. This is the reason why I have used the maths logic, ठीक है. I have used the maths logic just to understand कि how things work. But when we write the same thing in SQL, we are using the same maths logic that you are saying, ठीक है. But here we have to use a subquery just to, let me just write here, as total cell as contribution cell, ठीक है. What happened? Okay. So what we have done here, we have just created a new column with the subquery saying that this will be our total salary from the table or from the data set that we have. After that we have used our maths logic. We have done salary divided by total salary and we got the output, ठीक. That's how we have to do it, ठीक है. And if you want you can just go with this if you want to, but still let's see, do I get something else? No, it's not working. I thought of adding a percentage sign, that's why I'm saying. But anyways, let's go till here, ठीक है. So in this I hope you have understood, Parikshit, related to the query, right, what it is all about and how we can find the solution for this, ठीक है. You have to directly use a subquery. With the use of subquery you will get the total salary of all the employees in the data set. Once you get the total salary in for all the employees in the data set, you can find the output. Just like the example we have told in the live stream chat box. Okay, in live stream chat box, like you have two chats right now, we have three chats right now for Ashita, and we have like one, okay, we have one more chat from golden developer right now, and also one more chat from Ashita, like yes, it is clear, thank you. Okay, okay. So in that example you have seen how, what things we have done and what we have find out. Okay, so I hope your doubt is cleared, uh, Parikshit. Let me just see, let me just do an experiment, I hope it will work. Okay, it's working. Okay, so let's do one more thing. We have came till here, so why not to just what happened, why not to do it properly. Okay, हाँ, right now it's okay. Okay, right now you find out what it is all about. Don't go for the round and all those things, that is just an additional setup and all. Okay, so I hope you got it, how to find out related to the contribution salary, total salary and all. Okay, right? So if you have any more doubt, Parikshit, you can ask from here, and I can help you out in this. Main thing, just what we have done a dry run kind of thing for the question that you have asked. We have done a maths logic, same maths logic we have applied in our data set. Okay, this is the data set that we have created and we have applied it, right? So I hope you have cleared your doubts. Just create a subquery and go with the flow, that's it, nothing else. Okay, let's go with the doubt for, where is, yeah, let's go with the doubt of golden developer. It's like I have 8 years of experience in ops. Okay, not completely DevOps. Okay, no worries, and I want to transform to DE. Okay, I have completed Python, currently doing SQL course with data with Bara. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you, for data engineering, what things do you need? You need SQL and Python, main thing, and you should have some cloud knowledge as well. You should have some cloud knowledge as well. Cloud knowledge मतलब जैसे क्या, स्नोफ्लेक या तो Amazon S3 या तो Amazon Glue, like that. ठीक है, the thing is, let me tell you one thing, what it is all about in the cloud platform. You will be writing the SQL queries. ठीक है, you will be just writing the SQL queries, that's it. So for now it is better like you have done Python. ठीक है, that's a good thing, and I would suggest you to be like have a good quality grip in both SQL and Python, because these are the bread and butter for data domain. ठीक है, let me write it here, SQL and Python are bread and butter for data domain, right? So please have a good grip on SQL and Python, because let me tell you one thing, if you go and check out Snowflake, okay, you will find out what you know, what you will find out, you will find out like you will be taking care of the data from the data warehouse that is in the cloud platform. You will be fetching those datas with the help of queries, SQL queries that you have to write, that's it, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so please have a good quality grip on SQL. You have completed Python, that's a good thing, because actually let me tell you one thing, Python is bit tough, and I believe that Python is bit tough, and if you have completed Python properly, then SQL will be kind of cakewalk for you. Okay, SQL will be cake walk for you. ठीक, let me write this. ठीक है. So no worries for that, just go with the SQL part, learn SQL properly, and if you have any doubt in SQL or Python or Power BI or Excel, just join my live stream and ask your doubts. That's it. ठीक है. Okay, we have one query like Ashita. Yes, it's clear. Thank you. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Okay, we have one more query from Parikshit. Yes, it's clear now. When I checked AI, okay, it is showing like select name, round, salary. Okay, salary into 100. Okay, salary into 100. Why it's salary into 100? Okay, divided by sum by salary over. I think what I believe, it would be. Let me tell you one thing. It would be salary. It would be like that. Okay, let me correct it. It would be kind of in not into 100 तो नहीं होगा, because salary into 100 will get a different scenario there. Let me tell you that. ठीक, it might be like this. Where is it? It's like over into 100. It might be like this, what I believe. ठीक है, because salary into 100 will give you the wrong answer, to be honest, bhai. Right? Because salary into this will actually give you the wrong answer. So it will be like not even this what I have written. It would be like this, what I believe. Okay? Check once, because if AI is giving you this answer ki salary, oh sorry. I have also written the wrong thing. Multiplication won't be here. It would be here. Okay? I believe right now it's correct. I have given the multiplication there, that's why. Why it's not going right now? ठीक, it would be like that. ठीक है, into 100 would be there. ठीक है, salary into 100 won't be there. ठीक, it would be like everything into 100. And one more thing, let me tell you, related to over, what actually over is doing, let me clear it out. What actually over is doing, let me just clear, it is correct, it is not wrong, to be honest. What actually over is doing, over is just comparing with the all the data that is available in the data set. ठीक है, what over is doing is like over is just using all the data in the data. I mean to say, it is like a kind of Windows function kind of thing. ठीक है, kind of, just see in Windows function what we write, sum, salary over partition by all those stuffs. ठीक है, same thing is happening here. ठीक है, so it is like salary divided by sum of salary then over. ठीक है, over is what it is doing. If you go and see the Windows function, right, where is it? If I write like this, if I write sum of salary and write over, what it will give? It will give all the data. Let me show you here as well. ठीक है, let me show you here. Select everything. I will write sum of salary. ठीक है, over. ठीक, from example YT. Let's see what it is giving. It is giving the same thing. ठीक है, it is giving the same thing, right? I hope you got it. This is just kind of Windows function we are using, right, Parikshit? I hope you got it right now. Same thing, same Windows function. If I say कि salary divided by the Windows function, ठीक है. Then we will get the output, ठीक है, like this. Just a minute. Oops. Let me write it properly, otherwise it will be 200 ROUND and then comma 2. ठीक. This is the thing, right? I hope you got it right now. This is what the thing that you have asked, sum of salary over. It is a Windows function that we are using, right? Same thing you can use, no worries for that, right? In AI they are giving the direct wala part, they are not going with the basic stuffs and all. That is also a correct answer. You can see we are getting the correct reply for it. But I hope, like I was thinking, like you might be having a doubt. So this is what, this is a Windows function thing, ठीक है. This is nothing but this is a Windows function. In Windows function what we write? We write the function, we write the expression, then over inside what we write, suppose we write partition by and all, ठीक है, ठीक, partition by and all. But if we don't write partition by, what SQL does, it will go over all the data, ठीक है, it goes over all the data and give the output, ठीक है. So this is just like Windows function thing, and actually it is a Windows function thing, not just like, it's a Windows function thing, and in this way you got the output. Same you can get the output with the subquery as well. Same thing, same output you are getting here as well, ठीक है. Same thing you are receiving here, no worries for that. So whatever you are comfortable with, you can go with it, no worries for that. And I hope you got it, Parikshit. Like you can write a yes or a no. If you want to understand this thing, I can help you out again. And what it is all about, it is just a Windows function, ठीक है, that's it, nothing else. In Windows function what we write, over, right? Same thing we are doing here. Let me show you, ठीक है. I hope you got it, Parikshit. If you have any more doubts, you can just ask me, or if you are there in the live stream, you can write a yes, so that I can understand कि चलो you are there in the live stream, right? So anybody have any more doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. I can help you out in this. And Parikshit, also Ashitak, I hope you both have cleared your doubts. If you have any other doubts, just ask your doubts in the live stream, right? ठीक है, right. Okay, Parikshit, we have got a thumbs up. That's a good thing. So you have understood, right, Parikshit, related to over and all. So AI is also giving a correct answer. No worries for that. You can go with that as well. So I hope you are getting it related. You can use either the Windows function or you can use either the subquery, ठीक है, whatever you are comfortable with, ठीक. Right. So I hope each and everyone have cleared their doubts related to this, ठीक है. So like this you can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, related to Power BI, just you can ask your doubts. And related to Excel as well, you can ask your doubts. We will directly go to the Excel sheet and we will work on that. And even if your SQL queries, like if you have any doubt in SQL queries or something, we can just create a dummy data set and we can go with the flow, ठीक है. For now I am just deleting this. Okay, I'm just dropping the table, I mean to say. So that's the thing. This is how things goes on in Excel, Power BI and SQL. It is easy. It is actually easy. Just you need to have some practice. That's it. That's it. ठीक. ठीक है. I hope you all got it related to this. So if you have any more doubts in the live stream, you can just ask your doubts. I can help you out in this. And please ask your doubts. That's it. Right. And if you have any doubts in the live stream, oh, ah, right. Any doubts anybody have in the live stream, you can just ask your doubts. You can just ask your doubts, like anybody have any doubts in the live stream. Okay, we have one query from Parikshit. What are the important topics should be covered in Excel for DA? See, related to Excel, let me tell you one thing. I have, see, first thing first, related to the important topics, let me just tell you one thing. See, the thing is ki in Excel there is like very less, or I would say very less use of Excel in DA. DA Excel is used, no doubt. Excel is used. Excel knowledge is necessary. But let me tell you one thing. In this link that I have given to you related to the video, this video is in a playlist, right? So this playlist is having a project plus some topics, right? So whatever topics, or I mean whatever topics are there in this playlist, that all topics I have used the most in my workex as a DA, right? So that all topics I have added to this. If you have knowledge about this topics, yeah, it is good to go, no worries for that. But if you ask me what are the important topics, what should be there, I would say whatever topics I have discussed here in this video playlist, at least have that knowledge, at least have that knowledge. Because in my own experience of around like 5 year and 5 year of 5.5 year of experience in corporate and in freelance work, I would say कि this thing are must known, and this topics are non-negotiable in Excel point of view, right? So, and that is for a DA, because I'm working as a data analyst, that's what I'm saying. It is not limited to this. Okay, there are other topics as well, because see, in my 5 year of exposure in corporate and exposure of total handling 8 clients in freelance work, this is what exposure and this is what exploration I have in Excel. I mean to say these topics are highly used by me in this exposure. But if you ask me, is it limited to this topics? No, it is not limited to this. The thing is, see, if I would have worked like for next 5 years, like total of 10 years, I might have added more topics in this Excel playlist, because I might have came through lots and lots of other Excel logic, other Excel techniques, other Excel workflow in my corporate field or in my freelance field. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So these are the must known topics in Excel point of view as a DA, but this is not limited to this. If you want, you can learn other things as well, but I would say you should be having knowledge of all those topics. That's it for Excel. Okay, that's what I'm saying, right? Right. So anybody have any other doubts in the live stream, just ask your doubts. And actually it is 10 o'clock, to be honest, so I think I have to close my live stream and then come back. But still, if you have any more doubts in the live stream, you can ask your doubts. And also let me tell you one thing, those who are new in the live stream, please go and watch my data science project. Okay, good one for data science work. If you are, like, I would say, just a minute, if you want to just pursue your domain or pursue your career in data science, you can use this data science project in your CV, in your resume, or in your LinkedIn platform, your GitHub, wherever you have accounts in online platform. You can just showcase your skills by using those project. Okay, and that's a free project, you can go and directly use it, no worries for that, right? And related to this project, all the projects that I am giving you, this project have their own study material in the description box. And all the study material like the PDF, the Excel sheet, the formulas, requirements, each and everything are presented to you with the help of the Google Drive link in the description box, not in this description box but individual projects description box, right? So, and also we have our SQL course in our YouTube channel, so you can just go and watch that out, right? It is like one topic a day. One topic a day means same topic in English, same topic in Hindi, it's like that. Okay, so one topic a day kind of thing is there in this SQL course. Next course will be related to Python, I mean Python for data analytics, and it will be really interesting. So that's all about it, and thank you everyone for joining the live stream. And as let's close the live stream right now, and let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. We do live stream each and every day, so you can join our live stream anytime. And to get the notification, just subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so that you get the notification related to the live stream. And you can join our Telegram group as well. Okay, if you use Telegram, you can join our Telegram group, because there also I give you the link related to the live stream. And if you are not using Telegram, no worries for that, I also post the same link in our YouTube post, right? So it is better, I would say, just subscribe and click on the bell icon, because you will get the notification for the live stream. And we do live stream each and every day. Okay, that's the thing. So okay, let's close the live stream right now. We are done for today, and let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. But still, if you have any doubt after this live stream as well, you can just give your doubts in this mail ID, and let's join tomorrow again in the new live stream with the new doubts as well. Okay, चलो बाय बाय एवरीवन एंड गुड नाइट।